Okay, proceeding further, we come to the geometrical interpretation of vector product. Means in geometry, how we can use vector product or cross product. Recalling scalar product, in case of scalar product, geometrical interpretation was the projection part. Okay, clear? Now, in case of vector or cross product, you can find the area of parallelogram or area of triangle. Okay, now in case of area of parallelogram, you are having two types. First type, area of parallelogram when vector A and vector B are along the adjacent sides. Okay, when vector A and vector B are along the adjacent sides, or the parallelogram is determined by these two vectors. Determined by these two vectors means these two vectors will be along the adjacent side. Okay, see this, vector A and vector B along the adjacent side. In this case, the area of parallelogram will be mod of vector A cross vector B. A very simple formula. Only what you have to do, you have to find its cross product and then find its magnitude. That's all. Okay, find the cross product, find its magnitude. That's all. Okay, that will be the area of parallelogram when vectors are given along the adjacent side. Coming to the area of triangle. Okay, this is triangle in which this vector is vector A and this vector is vector B. The area of triangle for this will be half mod A cross B. How? See this. Completed the parallelogram. Completed the parallelogram. Now, if it is a parallelogram, area will be mod of A cross B. And we know that in a parallelogram, if we draw any diagonal, then it divides the parallelogram into two triangles and the area of these two triangles are equal. So, for this parallelogram, area will be mod of A cross B. So, for triangle, the area will be half mod of A cross B. Okay. So, if in case of triangle, any two vectors are given to you along the two sides of a triangle. अगर दो sides पे आपको vectors दिए हुए हैं triangle में, what you have to do? You find the cross product, take the magnitude of it and divide by 2. That will be the area of triangle. Okay. One more thing, if a triangle is given to you like this, suppose this is P, this is Q and this is R, means triangle having the vertices PQR. For point P, the position vector is small p. For point Q, the position vector is small q. And for point R, the position vector is small r. तीन वर्टाइज है और इनके पोजिशन वेक्टर विथ रेफरेंस टू सम फिक्स पॉइंट आपको दिए हुए हैं. ओके, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू फाइंड द वेक्टर्स अलोंग द एडजेसेंट साइड्स. इन दिस केस आपको एडजेसेंट साइड्स पे वेक्टर फाइंड करने पड़ेंगे. सो यू फाइंड द वेक्टर्स अलोंग एडजेसेंट साइड, दिस एंड दिस. एज फार एज दिस इज कंसर्न्ड, this will be QR, vector QR, and vector QR will be vector R minus vector Q. Find this, this will be QP. So this will be vector P minus vector Q. Okay, and area will be 1 by 2 mod of vector QR cross vector QP. This cross this, half of it. So QR QP. Okay, half of vector QR cross QP. If you simplify this, what do you get? Half QR is R minus Q cross with P minus Q. And when you simplify this, you will get this half P cross Q plus Q cross R plus R cross P. Do the simplification, you will get this half P cross Q plus Q cross R plus R cross P. See this R cross P, ये रहा आपका R cross P. Clearly R cross of minus Q. R cross of minus Q means you get minus R cross Q. Make it positive, it will become Q cross R. ये positive हो जाएगा. Why? Because cross product is not commutative. Okay, so you get R cross of minus Q. नेगेटिव साइन आ जाएगी, आर क्रॉस क्यू आएगा, उस नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव कीजिए तो क्यू क्रॉस आर आ जाएगा, ये रहा। अभी देखिए माइनस क्यू क्रॉस पी, माइनस और ए प्लस, तो माइनस क्यू क्रॉस पी मिलेगा, माइनस क्यू क्रॉस पी मिलेगा, इसे पॉजिटिव कीजिए तो ये पी क्रॉस क्यू आएगा, ये रहा। एंड माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस हो गया, क्यू क्रॉस क्यू, क्यू क्रॉस क्यू इज जीरो वेक्टर, क्यू क्रॉस क्यू इज जीरो वेक्टर, सो यू गेट दिस। ओके, नाउ रिमेंबर एग्जाम में ये आ सकता है दैट इफ पी क्यू आर विथ पोजिशन वेक्टर्स पी वेक्टर पी वेक्टर क्यू वेक्टर आर द वर्टाइज ऑफ ट्राइंगल, देन प्रूव दैट एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज दिस। आपको ये पेपर में आ सकता है। इंस्टेड ऑफ पी क्यू आर दे कैन गिव यू वेक्टर्स वर्टाइजेस ए बी सी विथ position vectors vector A, vector B, vector C. So be ready for it. They can ask this question. Okay. And the third geometrical interpretation is again area of parallelogram. Again it is area of parallelogram. In this case the vectors A and B were along the sides of the parallelogram. Here vector A and vector B are along the diagonals of parallelogram. In this case it will be half mod of A cross B. Half mod of A cross B. This will be the area of parallelogram when the vectors are given along the diagonals of the parallelogram. Okay, clear? Please note it down.